There are a few different ways to change your present status in Microsoft Teams. Your present status lets your coworkers know if you're at your desk and available for communication. Just like Skype for Business, Teams will automatically update your status based on your calendar and your activity. If you're inactive for 5 minutes, your status will change to away. And if you have a meeting scheduled, it will say in a meeting. To set your status manually, click on your photo in the top right corner. Hover over your status and choose from the options. Available indicates you're at your desk and available for contact by chat or call. Busy indicates that you're at your desk but busy working and wouldn't like to be disturbed. Do Not Disturb will silence all notifications so no calls or messages from other users will come through. And Away means you're not at your desk. I'm recording this video right now and don't want to be interrupted, so I'm going to choose Do Not Disturb by clicking on it. In Teams, you can also use the command bar to change your status. Type a / to indicate to Teams that you're giving it a command, and then type either available, busy, away, or DND for Do Not Disturb. I want people to be able to contact me again, so I'm going to type available, and then hit enter. The command bar will let you know it's completing your command. And now you can see my status has been changed back to available. That's how you change your present status in Microsoft Teams.